Jack left town.
I'm going to have to bleep that because we're not 30 seconds in yet. It's like a challenge. Can he not cuss for the first 30 seconds?
Oh, it's 30 seconds in?
Yeah, 30 seconds in, you can't cuss. You got to wait.
Oh, sorry.
You were at 19 seconds. All right, I started fresh. Yeah, seriously, you can't cuss within the first 30 seconds of a YouTube video.
Tell me when it's 30 seconds, then.
All right, well, you're at 8 seconds.
I thought it was...
No. And why do you cuss so much? You're like a sailor.
Don't you know that they say that...
Yeah, people who cuss are smarter.
People who cuss are smarter.
Yeah, and who says it's a bad word in the first place? Why is it a bad word? What if good was a bad word? Right? Who says it's a bad word? What makes a word bad? This is what goes on at the motorcycle shop during tire changes.
Are we 30 seconds in yet?
We're 34.
Okay. About the word fuck. I was like, what was that? Jay and Silent Bob.
Oh, my God.
Fuck, fucking
Yeah. This is a 19. And I was riding it in Gorman, and it went flat on me, and then the knob...
Oh, this tube is dead?
Proceeded to shear off. Oh, yeah. We'll find out why. Probably because it's old.
She felt a little flat.
Yeah, it's flat. I was riding around, and I'm like, why do I feel so loose on the bike right now? Like, this 450 feels way squirrely compared to my 500. Oh, right. I'm on that run flat tire. That's what I was doing.
Come on. Get in there.
Damn you, Roger. Yeah, you like that video? Roger, you almost hit the house. I put an FMF pipe on it.
That would be a great advertisement for FMF.
Yeah, they did. They threw it on their Instagram.
Did they?
Yeah, they did. Uh-huh. Roger got a handful of brop.
Just want to be a dirt bike rider. Come on.
The good thing about it being so stiff is when it went flat on me, it didn't want to come off.
And with the Coach 220, you can't get these you can't get these
tips.
The pieces used to be red like this one, but they don't make these yellow ones anymore. And there's this guy up in Santa Barbara, Ducati Dave or something. He makes them. I think he 3D prints them. I don't know, but
thank you, Ducati Dave, from SB.
No, it was a Moto Guzzi.
Oh.
Moto Guzzi Dave or something. Yeah, Moto Guzzi.
Something like that.
Yeah, Moto Guzzi.
CZ Dave.
You can get these Coach 220 tire
Yeah,
bars.
for all the people that have this ancient dinosaur out there.
It works.
It does work. I guess at least it keeps you strong. I'm all that is man. Sit down, rando. Damn it, Googling again.
You might have to give them a clue.
Super troopers. More than a clue.
This is how we stay sane.
Are these Pirelli? Yeah, these probably came stock in the bike.
Trash.
You don't want to see what happened?
What? No.
Fine.
You got a pinch flat.
I didn't care anyway. A pinch flat?
Most likely.
It was full of air, though.
You probably hit something really hard.
I didn't hit something that hard. I don't bite hard.
Come on. No.
What happened?
Sometimes the tire doesn't want to follow. Yeah. See, whenever they show tire changes,
Yeah.
I'm mostly on. It's usually street bike tires, and they're so easy.
No, I've seen some guys doing it with dirt tires. They just do it really fast. But the tires, they probably left them out in the sun.
Really?
They warmed them up.
They just do it really fast.
Yeah, they do it really fast.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
Yeah. They're one pump chump.
What are they doing it on a machine too?
Rabaconda. No, not on an automatic machine. It's manual. I'll show you. Prepare to be amazed.
Yeah, they're brand new tires too.
That's what I said, and they stuck them out in the sun. Got them all nice and warm.
And they didn't show taking off the old one, did they?
No. Probably not.
You people have no idea.
This rear is not directional, right? MX33. No. Shouldn't be.
Just checking. You can't put my tire on backwards. Well, dickhead, that was the person that put it on before me. They put it on backwards. I was just following the arrow.
It is interesting. The rear Maxxis Des IT does have an arrow, but that doesn't indicate direction. It's not a directional tire. It just has a weird arrow on it.
No, they're arrows going that way. 2 directional arrows. You can go either way. It's on that SI over there.
Wow. Huh.
Did I pull the 18 too?
No, you did not.
Oh, 19. 19.
Yeah, 19. You're so used to doing trail bikes. This is race bike, full race prep.
This is race bike. Race bike.
Racing. Race bike, full race prep. And what do? You blow a little air in there? Yeah. These guys. Beep. And why do you do that?
Well, I don't want the tube to fold like this. Sometimes I've caught the edge of the tube as it folds like this up against the inside of the rim.
Yeah.
And the tire, and I've caught the tube with the tire iron when I have to go to the tire iron.
Got it.
So sometimes it's easier if you just put a little air in it. You get the creases a little bit less greasy. And this is the fun part. That is 25 years of practice right there. Some people can't get it in really easily.
Yeah, they have a hard time finding the hole.
So does another person who helps me out that won't be named right now. Some people like to go in from behind.
God. I'm telling you, people are going to be like, what did I click on?
Fun stuff.
Yeah.
That's what happens. The tube folds. Make sure we don't have the tube. Come on. Get in there. Get in there. Extra juice on there.
Extra juice.
Will we be successful in using the tire iron for the whole tire? Doubtful.
This tire was made in 22. But it is a little cold out.
Yeah, no, we're not even gonna try. So what we do is, yeah, see, I can feel the tube right there. My finger's in there. So I stick this in,
Yeah.
push the tube away. And the reason I like these is because if you can't feel the tube, you can at least stick this in and put it in and pull back. So you minimize grabbing the tube.
Nice.
It's gonna suck if we hear air.
Whoosh.
Pinch the tube on the video. Okay. And Why did I use the sprocket? Because I didn't want to scratch the rim putting the tire iron in. For all you guys out there critiquing this, kiss my ass.
Comments off. That's what it goes to.
You don't even get a chance to comment.
Well, and YouTube got rid of the dislike button, so if you dislike it, people don't even see that anymore.
You got rid of the dislike button?
Yeah, you can still dislike it, but only the creator sees it. No, people don't see it, right?
Don't even see the thumbs down?
No, because I think people were just sandbagging, right? They were just messing with other people's videos, right? You know? People being people.
You're canceled.
Yeah, cancel culture. Ding.
No leak that?
No.
No leak that.
Great success.
Yeah, the tire she's installed.
That'll be $20.
Mm-hmm. 10 millimeter, 12 millimeter. Take the rim block with the 10 millimeter bolt.